I'm good when I'm sitting. It's the standing. I can't do dishes.
Yeah.
Because I'm in pain every day, every second, every minute, every hour. I'm just in constant pain that don't go away.
Yeah. It's a lot.
This feels good to not be in pain.
This was
I
impossible.
don't know why it took me this long to come to you.
Malaka, you're coming all the way from New York.
Drove.
You drove. The drive was what, 20 something hours?
22 hours.
Wow, that's crazy. Tell me what's happening with you, what's bothering you, what's going on?
Long story short.
Sure.
12 years old, I was diagnosed with scoliosis. Then until I went into the military, I realized that my curve went from 27, I believe, to 37 or something. When I came out, I worked for the post office.
Yep.
2013. 2017, I fell at the job on a pallet and I fell on my back. Since then, it's been deteriorating. My main reason for coming now is because this situation with my leg just started 2 months ago and it's stopping me from I can't cook, I can't stand up for 2 minutes, I can't do anything. I can't go to the store by myself. I can't do nothing. It's like my whole life is completely different. I don't wish this on my enemy. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't have any, but I don't wish them.
When you're in this amount of pain, your whole life's just kind of wrecked right now. Yeah.
Because I'm in pain every day, every second, every minute, every hour. I'm just in constant pain that don't go away.
Yeah. So let's have you stand up for me and then we're gonna walk. Good. So when you're doing that, do you feel a heaviness?
Yeah, and tingling all through my leg and in my hand. I'm good when I'm sitting. It's the standing.
So I want to do a couple more checks on you, right? I'm not gonna have you walk around, but I want you to turn your head all the way to the right, your whole head. That's about it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, look to the left. Does that hurt there too?
Yeah, it hurts.
Look all the way up.
Okay.
So why do you have to...
Because it hurts.
It hurts like if you just go straight?
I need the support.
Gotcha. Look all the way down. Okay. Now, you're okay to yell. Just don't hit me. Because it's going to be kind of a shocker.
Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh my God.
So all in here. Turn that. You all right? You got it.
Oh God! Oh, it's... I'm shaking.
It's okay. It's okay. Take your time. You're okay. When's the last time you felt some sort of strength in that thing before?
It's been years.
So just like that. All right, so I want you to loosen this part a little bit more. You can feel it. So we're opening just like that.
Ow! Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, oh my God. Awesome sauce. OMG. Feels good to not feel pain for a second.
But this part in through here, it's a little stiff, not as, that first one is really stiff, right?
Oh my God.
There it goes. That's that last bit.
Oh my goodness, my shoulder. I'm sorry, my shoulder's been hurting so bad.
Yeah, right.
That was hurting so bad.
It's a lot.
This feels good to not be in pain. Thank you. Thank you. You like haven't said. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right.
Can I put my neck back?
Yeah, look up.
Oh my God. I can't put my neck back. You know how to say that is. I couldn't do this. I had to do this all the time.
No.
I'm so happy you were born. Thank you, Mommy. I think your Mommy dad. Oh my God, that's the best feeling I've ever.
Hand all the way up, just like that. Hold right here, and then let this relax. All right. Be brave. You got it. Nice and easy. Good.
Ow.
Good. One more.
Ow.
Good. There it is. Right there. Again.
Oh.
Wow. That's all I needed to do. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I felt that one.
Phenomenal. Right side. Whoa, yeah.
Oh no, that's for real.
Yeah. Look up again. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Walk normally all the way down and then come back and...
Yo, this is insane.
That's...
God is good. I can stand. It's not hurting me to stand. I can stand. This is crazy. I can stand. Why are you traveling that far? That's why. This is why I'm traveling this far. So I won't feel this pain. And I don't feel pain. I don't feel pain. Oh my God. This is so
awesome. You guys are all set with me. Thank you all so much for trusting me, for coming all this way. I can't tell you enough how much it means to me for you to drive all this way. And
no, it means a lot to me that I can comfortably drive back.
Take some breaks in between. Make sure you're, like, you're walking around so your body doesn't revert back.